Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring the basics: a rename card plus a linked account so the name sticks across devices. First, check your inventory for a rename card or active voucher. Once confirmed, link Bgmi to Google Play, Facebook, or your Crafton ID. This is critical to preserve identity. Now open your profile, tap Edit, and enter the new space name. Make the change, save immediately. Why? Because linked accounts prevent guest resets and help recover the name after reinstalling or switching phones. Once you've renamed, don't assume it's permanent, verify. First, double-check spelling, capitalization, and any special characters. Mistakes require another card. Next, go to Account Settings and confirm Google Play, Facebook, or Crafton ID shows as connected. If the game offers two-step or secondary bindings, enable them now to add layers of protection. After that, log out and relog in to confirm the name persists. This step proves the linkage works, and the space name won't vanish when you migrate or reinstall. Finish by testing persistence. Back up any local data, uninstall, then reinstall Bgmi and log in with the linked account to confirm your space name stayed intact. If the name is missing, gather proof, screenshots, purchase receipts, and the linked account email, then contact Bgmi support promptly and explain the situation. Make sure to mention the link service and the rename card use. One troubleshooting tip: if support can't restore it, submit account binding evidence quickly to speed up recovery and avoid losing the name permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.